This is one of the best examples of a Cypress Dome Swamp during the rainy season in Florida. A cypress tree there creating a dome where water is retained. There's the cypress tree. Water is retained, creating a swampy condition. You see palm trees here and off in the distance, and plants growing out of the water. This is different than a mangrove. These are in freshwater areas, but kind of similar in how it looks. Very lush back there. You see palm trees. You also see other cypress trees. Here's the other side. And you have a hammock here and ferns growing as well. One of the very unique landscapes here in southern Florida. Thank you once again for watching. Check us out at floridasqueeze.com.